Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to teach you how to create registration from HTML file. So let's get started. So for creating a form, first I'm going to create a div. I'm going to create a container, and after that I'm going to add heading in it, which will be registration form. Then I'm going to add another heading. I'm going to create another container, which is name plus going to be login container. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to I'm going to ask the user to insert this info in this form to complete the registration. So first I'm going to ask his name, placeholder first name, and now I'm going to then last name, and then I'm going to ask his email. Then then I'm going to ask phone number, give his phone number. Then I'm going to ask him to enter today's date, and then I'm going to insert submit button for get logged in or complete, I mean for sign up, for finishing sign up process. So this is the case. Then I'm going to add CSS in it. So here is it. So first name, last name, and sorry, I forget to enter label. So now I'm going to label after for it for each and every my input. Label going to be first name, then first name, and label for last name, and that's going to be last name. So now you can see, sorry, it should be here. Now you can see first name, last name. Okay, so the problem is, yeah, so now it's going to work. Okay, so label is going to be above of the your input field. So if this is, so now, okay, now for email and for email, and then phone number. Phone number. So here is it. So and another for date. Date. Now it's time for adding CSS and style in my registration form. So let's get started. Please submit each and every field of the form to complete the registration. Please submit each and every detail asked in the form to complete the registration. So now please submit each and every detail asked in the form to complete the registration. So now let's add a style. So for container, So border solid, um 10 pixel blue or black. Okay, background color so background color which is going to be cadet blue. Font size 40 pixel. Font family and now please submit in every detail of the function. So now let's jump into my login container element, then I'm going to add border for it. Border going to be solid 10 pixel black and background color lavender. So add font size which going to be 40 pixel and font family now let's see, this is my registration form. I need to ask this detail. So now, okay, so let's say if I let's show make the border size 5 pixel. So this is how you can create a registration form. And so if you want to add padding going to be left 20 pixel. Okay, this is how you can create a form, and I will create more videos uh, to teach you more new things. Thank you all, best of luck, keep watching my videos, and don't forget to hit like or subscribe. Thank you, best of luck.